Just finished welding up this here rear end. Gonna cut off that there rear end and put this one on. And I gotta wire up these lights and probably some clearance lights in the middle and license plate light there by the step. Got it all welded in. Sorta tacked, I guess. But there was a bit of a gap here, so we did the old double tie down to there, across the deck, sucked it in nice and tight. Now I can weld this bracket. Might put some bracing from there to there. Alrighty, we're on to tail lights. I don't really like measuring, transferring all these measurements, trying to get it to match the other side. So I just got this piece of angle to mark out our height from the top, and then paint pen, dab all the tips of those bad boys. And then I got my one mark here, 6.5 inches off the edge, so I can match it up with the other side. Okay, here's the paint pen dab. Transferred it right over. You can see when I marked around the bolt, it lands pretty much right there. So now we'll drill it out and get it installed. Drilled out. I marked an X through there because that will get the center of the wiring. Boom. So another little trick with paint pen is if you dab your threads, it'll act as a really good thread locker. And then I just put a bunch of paint pen around that nut, and when it dries, it'll lock the nut in place. There we have it. Taillights are done. Just gotta get them wired in. Waiting on a couple resistors like those for this side before I just wired it in with the bulb in place onto reverse lights. I mean, these already got reverse lights, but who doesn't like lots of light when they're backing up? So yeah, that there, trace it out to that. What do you think?
Turn this one off.
Turn it off?